Today we are going to learn countries in Asia with their capitals.
There are 48 countries in Asia. Physiographically, there are 6 major regions of Asia: North Asia, Central Asia, Eastern Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Western Asia, North Asia. Country: Russia. Capital is Moscow. Total 5 countries in Central Asia. Country: Kazakhstan. Capital is Astana. Country: Kyrgyzstan. Capital is Bishkek. Country: Tajikistan. Capital is Dushanbe. Country: Turkmenistan. Capital is Ashgabat. Country: Uzbekistan. Capital is Tashkent. 6 countries in Eastern Asia. Country: China. Capital is Beijing. Country: Japan. Capital is Tokyo. Country: Mongolia. Capital is Ulaanbaatar. Country: North Korea. Capital is Pyongyang. Country: South Korea. Capital is Seoul. Country: Taiwan. Capital is Taipei. South Asian countries. Total 8 countries in South Asia. Country: India. Capital is New Delhi. Country: Afghanistan. Capital is Kabul. Country: Bhutan. Capital is Thimphu. Country: Bangladesh. Capital is Dhaka. Country: Pakistan. Capital is Islamabad. Country: Nepal. Capital is Kathmandu. Country: Sri Lanka. Capital is Colombo. Country: Maldives. Capital is Mali. Southeast Asian countries. Total 12 countries in Southeast Asia. Country: Myanmar. Capital is Naypyidaw. Country: Vietnam. Capital is Hanoi. Country: Laos. Capital is Vientiane. Country: Thailand. Capital is Bangkok. Country: Cambodia. Capital is Phnom Penh. Country: Philippines. Capital is Manila. Country: Malaysia. Capital is Kuala Lumpur. Country: Singapore. Capital is Singapore. Country: Brunei. Capital is Bandar Seri Begawan. Country: Indonesia. Capital is Jakarta. Country: East Timor. Capital is Dili. Western Asia countries. Total 17 countries in Western Asia. Country: Turkey. Capital is Ankara. Country: Georgia. Capital is Tbilisi. Country: Armenia. Capital is Yerevan. Country: Azerbaijan. Capital is Baku. Country: Syria. Capital is Damascus. Country: Iraq. Capital is Baghdad. Country: Iran. Capital is Tehran. Country: Cyprus. Capital is Nicosia. Country: Jordan. Capital is Amman. Country: Saudi Arabia. Capital is Riyadh. Country: Yemen. Capital is Sana'a. Country: Oman. Capital is Muscat. Country: United Arab Emirates. Capital is Abu Dhabi. Country: Kuwait. Capital is Cairo. Country: Lebanon. Capital is Beirut. Country: Israel. Capital is Jerusalem. Country: Qatar. Capital is Doha.